Hi everyone, this is Simon Chan with your monthly Greater Toronto Area real estate update. Today I'm going to walk you through what's happening in the GTA market, how different types of homes are performing, what absorption rates and months of inventory are telling us, and finally, I'll wrap up with a clear summary of the current market trend. Let's get started. Across the Greater Toronto Area, we're seeing noticeable shifts in both pricing and buyer activity. This month, the average home price declined by 1.4%, month over month, and 6% year over year. Sales volume also decreased by 18.4% from last month and 14.7% compared to the same time last year. New listings also played an important role, declining by 30.7% monthly, which has influenced how slow market as well as cold weather in November. Right now, the overall GTA market is leaning toward a strong buyer market, which indicated the supply of inventory was much more than the demand. The absorption was only 20%, and the month of inventory reached to 4.9 months. Let's look at the detached homes market, which remain one of the most closely watched segments in the GTA. Sales for detached properties had a significant decline by 19.6% month to month and 14% year over year, showing how buyers are adjusting to affordability and interest rate expectations. On the other hand, price have a slight downshift of 0.7% from October. On the contrary, the price was down 7.3% annually. The absorption rate for detached homes is currently 20%, and months of inventory sit at 4.8 months. This tells us that detached homes are in a buyer market, with buyers showing less interest in purchasing detached homes in which the price is too high in a slow market. Semi-detached homes continue to perform steadily. Prices in this category moved down by 3.5% compared to last month and 7.4% year over year. However, the sales dropped 18.5% month over month, reflecting activity from buyers looking for family-sized homes with more affordability. The absorption rate for semi is 25%, and inventory sits at 2.7 months, which indicates a strong demand compared to detached homes. Overall, this segment shows consistent demand month after month. Freehold townhomes remain very popular among young families and move-up buyers. This month, prices adjusted by 2.4% down, and sales changed by 11.6% down as well. Absorption rate is at 30%, with months of inventory at 3.4 months. This combination shows that freehold townhomes continue to offer good value and remain competitive in many neighborhoods. Now let's look at condo apartments, a key entry-level housing option. Prices in the condo apartment segment has a slightly increased by 0.5% month over month, but declined 3.8% year over year. Sales shifted downward by 16.6%, reflecting how buyers are responding to affordability and rising inventory. The absorption rate for condos is 16%, with 6.3 months of inventory. This suggests that the condo market is currently showing a challenging condition, whether that's more selection for buyers or steady activity depending on location. Condo townhomes sit between freehold and condo apartments and continue to attract families and first-time buyers. Prices continued moving down by 2.3% this month, and sales volume also declined by 25%. Absorption rate is at 18%, and inventory sits at 5.6 months, indicating a slow-paced trend. This segment is very similar to condo apartments like in Brampton, Oakville, and Mississauga. So, what does all of this mean for the GTA real estate market? Overall, prices are trending a continuous downward situation. Sales are showing slow momentum, and inventory levels are creating a more uncertain environment for buyers and sellers. Some segments are stabilizing, while others are seeing increased activity depending on affordability and supply. As we move into the next month, we'll be watching inventory, interest rate expectations, and buyer confidence closely. If you'd like a customized breakdown for your neighborhood or home type, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next month's update.